So CAD is an acronym that stands for Computer-Aided Drafting and Design. It's essentially using a computer to do drafting, which is technical drawing. We teach two main disciplines here for CAD: mechanical manufacturing, which is drafting for the manufacturing industry. For example, machining, progressive dies, and tool and die. And then we also teach the architectural discipline, which encompasses drawings for architectural structures, residential buildings, commercial buildings, and all that entails there, as well as structural drafting and MEP, which stands for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. So the students learn when they first come in, we go over just Microsoft Office, right? Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, get them acclimated to that kind of stuff, which they're going to need in industry. But then the specific drafting software that we teach is AutoCAD, Revit Architecture, Revit MEP, and Revit Structure, and SolidWorks for the mechanical side. If you think about it, every building that's built, every house that's built, everything that's made has to be drawn first. When you're drawing a house and floor plan, just a 2D looking down view on it, yes, you can sort of visualize things three-dimensionally, but creating it in a program like Revit, for example, where you draw the floor plan and pop in windows and doors, and all of a sudden you can see the building, see the house three-dimensionally, it brings a lot of satisfaction because you see it immediately. I would give them the advice of doing some research to see really which way they want to go on those two paths, if they're more sort of interested in mechanical manufacturing or sort of the architectural construction side. But having said that, we teach both, so they have that time while they're in school to kind of, oh, maybe I do like this course more than another, or I like this industry more than the other. But I think one big thing would be to research what it is. What is CAD? What am I going to be doing when I graduate?